I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Trello. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for client ID, please visit Trello API console. Click on Power Up Admin Portal. Now check the list and continue. Then New. Give an integration name. Select Workspace. Give a mail. Give a support contact. Give a author's name. Now click on Create. Generate a new API key, then generate API key. Copy authorized redirect URI form authorization page. And paste it here. Click on Add. Copy this and paste it on the authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Scroll down and click Allow. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Boards. Choose Lists. Now map the fields. Here is an advanced feature available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Trello. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now let's go to the Trello. Here is the data that came into Trello through the integration. Thanks for watching.